Assalam alaikum. Hi you all friends, hope you are all fine and good. आज हम यहाँ पे हैं एनुअल फ्लावर एंड गार्डन कंपटीशन और आज हम देखेंगे जो फर्स्ट आया है उसने गार्डन अपना कैसे डेकोरेट किया. So stay tuned to our channel. Let's go further. See, this area looks so beautiful. Wow. Now let's see more. A crocodile made of stone. Whoa, a colorful starfish. It's so awesome. It's made of different colors. Whoa. It's starfish. Wow, there are so many colorful flowers in the pots. I can't believe that those flowers are so beautiful. So beautiful. Hey, what is that? It's made of so many beautiful colors. It's so awesome. And these are the cactuses. These are all the types of cactuses. You know that cactus also have colors. See, they have so beautiful colors. I like them. I want to take them to my home. Wow, so beautiful. Now this is elephant story. बच गई गिरते गिरते बची है यार. अच्छा मेरी बारी. देखते हैं मैं क्या करता हूँ. अरे गिरा बच गया. और मैं तो गिर जाती तो हो जाती मेरी तो. See, it is a beautiful fountain. I like it. It's so wonderful. Wow, the fountain is so wonderful. See, there are so beautiful parrots. But wait, why they are not flying? Oh, it's not real. It's just fake. I think it's real. They are so colorful parrots. I love them. I want to take a selfie with the real parrots. Okay, now let's go near to the duck. Ooh, see, it's a huge duck. It's so awesome here. We are having fun. And these are mushrooms. They are also fake. I like it. Woohoo! अच्छा, तो आज की एक अच्छी बात, वो भी उन लोगों के लिए ज़रूरी है जो झूठ बोलते हैं। आपको पता है झूठ बोलना कितना गुनाह होता है? झूठ बोलना बहुत बुरी बात होती है। आपको पता है कि अगर हम एक झूठ को छुपाना होता है तो हमें 100 झूठ बोलने पड़ते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी झूठ तो पता चल जाता है। तो इससे अच्छा है कि आप सच बोल लें। जो छोटी सी डांट होती है तो वो खा ले, तो क्या हुआ? ऐसी डांटी होती है ना, बजाय कि आप झूठ बोलें। तो इसलिए झूठ से परहेज किया करें। एंड प्लीज अवॉइड सेइंग लाइज। We feel so fresh here because of flowers. They are so lovely and they also smell very nice. See, it's Pakistan's flag. It's so wonderful. See, there's one more Pakistan flag. They're so interesting. Okay guys, if you like our video, so please like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Now bye bye.